Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placements. This is your general and love reading, the person on your mind. Okay. Yeah, this is for July. Tingnan natin energy surrounding you. Okay, ngayong July. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating item. So yes, protection from evil eye. Yeah, we do have ring. Okay, yung ring natin is adjustable. Okay, ring, necklace, and bracelet. So yan ang ating mga options pagdating sa ating mga evil eye protection. Okay, so ito sila. This is unisex, by the way. So ito pa yung ating necklace. So ganyan siya. Okay, meron siyang blue stone sa center. So next is ating nagkabuhol-buhol na, oh my. Yung ating 2-in-1, love and money bracelet. So ganyan po siya, o diba, ang ganda niyan in person. Yes, kung titingnan nyo talaga, no, so hindi lang love ang makukuha nyo, kundi money. Okay, so meron kasi po siyang citrine, meron na po siyang citrine ngayon. Okay, yan, mga citrine. So citrine stone is acting like money magnet. Okay, money magnet. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam para saan yung citrine. And, for abundance po, ang ating citrine stone. So, hindi lang love, kundi may money pa. So, diba? Nice. So, hindi lang pang akin, no? Siyempre, sa inyo din, no? Oo. So, ang tawag dyan, kung kaya ko sa akin, siyempre, share ko din sa inyo. Okay? So, 2-in-1, money and love bracelet. Okay? So, kung kayo lalaki, gusto nyo to, gagamitin nyo sa business nyo, mga ganyan, pwede nyo ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Red pouch. And, syempre, I need your real name. Wag mahiya. Okay? Wag pong mahiya, Iba talaga, pahirapan. Oo. Ayoko pong bigay yung real name ko. Ay, siya, bahala ka. Diba? So, next, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, taga-grant lang po, hindi siya yung gagawa. Okay, hindi siya yung gagawa. Kayo yung magmamanifest, siya lang yung mag-grant. Okay? And yes, weekly surprises from granter. Okay? So, aside doon sa minamanifest, meron siyang ibibigay sa inyo weekly surprises, yung hindi nyo minamanifest. Oo, napakagalante nito ni granter. So, alam nyo, yung feedbacks ng mga customers, mga clients natin, it's like, pagsuot pa lang nila, maya, andyan na agad. Sa maniwalat kayo sa hindi. Oo, hindi ko na para i-post. Alam na nila. Alam na nila kung ano kayang i-provide sa kanila nitong ating love and money and ng ating granter. Okay, and nito yung ating pangtaboy, MALAS. Yes. Oo. So, ito yung nag-aalis ng alat. Ito yung nag-aalis ng mabibigat na energy sa'yo. Yun po yun, Pwedeng isabit sa bahay, sa pinto ng bahay, sa business mo. Kung saan man, nasa tingin mo is ang bigat ng energy. Okay? Pwede po yan. Sa inyo mismo, pwede yan. Yung parang paggising nyo sa umaga, ang bigat-bigat na, nakakatamad na. Yes. Okay, aalisin nito yun. Okay? Ang madalas po na ginagawang combo, ito. Okay, and ito. Yan. So, kasi madalas yung iba, meron ng mga evil eye protection. Oo. So, kailangan din po may evil eye protection kung gagamit kayo nung combo. Okay? Nung kahit isa doon, kailangan po mayroong evil eye protection para hindi masabotahe yung mga pwedeng lang mag-grant, pwedeng lang maibigay sa inyo. Okay? Okay. So, Cancer placements. Let's see. In general, what's for you? What is for our Cancerian ngayong July? So, let's see. The Star in reversed. Why? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Feeling hopeless. Bakit? Feeling hopeless. May mangyari pa bang bago? Parang ganun yung naririnig ko. Let's see. Judgment. Okay. Iwasan nyo to. Iwasan nyo to. Magkakaroon ng blockages kung kayo itong welcome ng mga negative energies. Aware man kayo, hindi. You're too open. I think you are too open. Yeah, the Magician in reversed. So, hindi malabo na kayo ay may chance na mabatuhan ng evil eye ngayong July. Be careful. Be careful. Kailangan nyo rin itong iwasan, ha? Okay? With a Scorpio, Aquarius, fire sign. Be careful. Some of you, kailangan mo nang gumawa ng isang hakbang para mas maging okay ka na. I don't know kung ano yun. Kailangan mong humakbang para may masimulan. This is malalim. So, what else for Cancer? The Devil in reversed. What's with that? The Knight of Swords in reversed. Ten of Swords. So this is like energy of changes. Yung mga energy na nagko-control sa'yo. Okay, the Seven of Swords. You have to cut them out. Okay? Cut them out. Person, situation, you have to cut it out. Cut them off. Kumusta ka, Cancer? Hope you're doing well. Ano nangyayari? Don't get strung along. Don't get strung along. Huwag mo hayaang makontrol ka. See? The Magician in reverse. This is control. This is energy of manipulation. The Tower. The Nine of Swords. They're giving you a lot of stress. Okay? Oh my gosh. Unang-unang card mo, the Star in reverse. Some of you, you're not healed. Okay? From a certain situation, people. Could be, diba? Na pwede ito yung nakaka-apekto sa'yo. In general. You have to heal. Kailangan mong may matutunan, I guess. May naamoy akong matamis. Anyway. Parang kakanin. Parang champurado. O yun naamoy ko. Nalasahan ko. Anong meron? Anyway. Champurado. Yung may milk. Oops. Knight of Pentacles in reversed. You have to kailangan ng iba sa inyo na may baguhin pagdating sa pamemera. Or iba sa inyo kailangan nyo nga talaga na mas maging okay para may maayos, may maging okay pagdating sa pamemera nyo in general. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you need to watch your spending. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Oh my gosh, Death in reversed. The Empress. Ang daming energy na nagda-drag down sa'yo. Cancer. ang daming humihila sa'yo pababa, or ang daming hihila sa'yo pababa this July. Be ready, because what? You're too open, you're too present, you are too available. Okay? You are. Emotionally, financially, energetically, physically, open. Masyado kang vulnerable ngayong July. Be careful who you trust. Be careful kung kanino ka ko-connect ngayong July. Please. You have to protect your energy. Madidrain ka dito. The sun in reversed. You have a lot of major arcana here. You have the star, the devil, judgment, magician, the sun. All in reversed. Kumusta ka naman? Kumusta ka? Lahat ng major arcana naka-reversed. Hindi naka-reverse lahat to. Okay? Nakita naman natin, Empress. Hindi siya naka-reversed. Meaning to say, open na open ka sa mga energy na hindi maganda this July. Be careful. So, anong ating gagawin dito? Sandali lang. Protektahan dapat. Oo. Okay. So, para hindi na makapasok. Let's see. Lagay natin muna dito itong ating mga pang-protect. Okay? Yeah, this is cutting off, Death in reverse and the Ace of Swords. Kailangan ready ka, mag-cut off, ready kang mag-cut ties. Situation, people, kahit sino pa yan. Best friend mo, kamag-anak mo, nanay mo, tatay mo. Okay? Ngayong July. Ngayong July. Okay, so there. Pwedeng kasing magamit ka, gamitin ka ngayong July. Some of you kasi you're too present, too available. Okay? People will take advantage of you. Mga ganyang bagay. No? So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. The person on your mind, Cancer. Who is this? The King of Swords could be an Aquarius. Who is this? King of Swords. Some of you may chance na pwede silang sundalo, police, somebody working sa government. They have this power. Okay? Matalino. Okay? Ano tong King of Swords? The Five of Pentacles. Yeah, I think specifically they're working under government. Okay? Pwedeng ganun yung work nila. Yeah. Some of you, meron kayong sabihin nating legal matter, legal issue with this person. You need them actually. They need you. Clarity could be. Closure. Let's see anong situation. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. And the Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, this is talking about release. Okay, a release. So, Two of Pentacles, somebody, pwede ditong meron pang hindi nakakagawa or nakakagaod, nakaka-move on. Kasi parang pending. Yeah, the Eight of Cups in reverse. See, energy to nang hindi pa nakaka-move on. Ha, yung Eight of Cups in reverse. So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon niya sa'yo? The Two of Pentacles. juggling. Some of them may be juggling a situation or people. Okay, they're stalking you, some of them. Or kumakalap ng mga pwedeng sabihin nating paraan kung paano magkakaroon ng action dito. The Fool in reverse. Yeah, they're planning. So, emotion niya is the Two of Pentacles. Unstable. And the Two of Swords. Yeah, they're too indecisive. They are too indecisive. They're avoiding you actually. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles. Maybe they're holding back communication, holding back pagdating sa pakikipag-ayos or kung ano man clarity ang kailangan dito. They're held back. Okay, the Five of Cups. Maybe sabihin nating ayaw na lang din ng taong to na mag-regret if ever or masayangan if ever. So it's like, bakit pa ako gagawa? Alam ko namang walang patutunguhan to. So, mas mabuti na nasa ganito. So, yun nga lang, nakaka-apekto to sa energy mo or sa energy niya. Because, yeah, nakita natin si Eight of Cups kanina na naka-reversed. That is delay. Okay? Delay sa lahat ng aspeto. Okay? So, there. They're too indecisive. So, who else? Kuha tayo ng ilan. The person on your mind. What you need to know. The person on your mind, Cancer. Who is this? The person on your mind. The King of... Again, the King of Swords. Now in reversed. This is a liar. Okay, the liar. Okay, are you dealing with the liar or dealt with the liar? The Two of Cups in reverse. So, itong taong ito masyadong naging takot rin pagdating sa connection nyo. Like, overwhelmed. Hindi niya kinayang ipaglaban tong connection nyo. Could be mga ganyang bagay. Ten of Pentacles. Somebody's already in a commitment siguro. Okay? Kaya hindi niya pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng maging open, I think. Let's see. What is the situation right now? The Three of Cups. So, energy ng third party. Ace of Cups. Four of Cups. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is the one that got away. The one that got away, ito yung taong parang feeling mo or feeling niya is ikaw yung para sa kanya, pero hindi pwede. Okay? So, they want a connection, pero hindi na maaari. Yeah. Connection na parang sa tingin ko, niloko nyo yung sarili nyo na pwede kayo. Ouch. Hashtag ouch. Hashtag niloko nyo sarili nyo na pwede kayo sa connection na to. Anyway, let's see. Anong advice? Huwag natin i-check yung emotion niya. Oo, wag na. Baka maguluhan ka pa lalo eh. Okay? Imbes na makapag-focus ka. Kasi some of you, pwedeng nagfo-focus ka na sa healing. This is the Ace of Cups, no? Focusing on healing, focusing on yourself more, parang ganyan. Let's see. Anong meron pagdating sa advice? What's the advice for our Cancerian? Ten of Cups in reverse. The Devil in reverse. This is energy ng acceptance. Yeah, acceptance. The Queen of Wands in reverse, na hindi lahat ng gugustuhin natin is pwede. Okay? Huwag nyo rin hayaan na itong connection na to ang magbigay sa inyo ng hindi magandang energy. Insecurities, hindi na ako tatanggapin, o kung sino man, siya lang yung gusto ko, siya lang yung tumatanggap sa akin, whatsoever. Enough with that BS. Okay? Nilalagay nyo lang yun sa utak nyo, kaya yun na nagmamanifest. Enough with that. Hindi ba kayo napapagod sa ganon? Wala nang tatanggap sa akin, hindi na ako ganto, ganyan, tatanda na akong ganito, whatsoever. You're manifesting that for yourself kung hindi mo alam. Okay? So, maawa ka naman. Kung wala na mag-manifest ng maganda para sa'yo, ikaw na lang yung gumawa. Hindi mo lang nakuha itong taong to kasi pwedeng could be iba't ibang issue. Ganyan na, sasabihin mo sa sarili mo. That's wrong. That is so wrong. Okay? Hindi mo alam, itong taong to pala is minamabuti na niyang maging okay. Tapos ikaw may iwang kang ganyan. What? Diba? Sabihin natin, kinakawawa mo na yung sarili mo kung ganon. We have here the Ace of Cups. Again, we have here the Ace of Cups. This is self-love. Okay, so there. So tayo tumungo na sa all signs. All signs are true Pisces. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, Aries. Silent. Cold. Taurus. May chance na magparamdam na si Taurus. Umalis na sa pagiging silent. Okay? Some of you may papakita sa iyo ito si Taurus, or sabihin natin merong i-share, something like that. Gemini, they felt a strong connection with you. Cancer, a missed opportunity. Oh my gosh, kaya pala. So Leo, what's this? Silent. But yeah, they're thinking of you. Virgo, they're not open. Some of them, there's a lot of immaturity surrounding this Virgo. Libra, third party connection. They want reconciliation. Felt a strong connection with you. Scorpio, they like you, they admire you. Sagittarius, there's sabihin natin releasing themselves. Releasing themselves, oo. Sa stress. Capricorn, they're moving on. Aquarius, they're leaving you. They are leaving you. Pisces, could be endings or changes with the Pisces. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Cancer placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.